You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Japanese, which is actually the number 8. How do you say 8 in Japanese? The Japanese pronunciation is hachi. Hachi. Sometimes when you count, the chi is not pronounced that much, and it sounds more like hach, hachi, hachi. So how do you pronounce 8 in Japanese? Hachi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.